Hey everyone, I'm Scott on the product marketing team here at Workato, and I'm excited to let you know that on Thursday, March 5th, I'll be hosting my second product hour, Back to Basics 2, Recipes for Automation. I started at Workato 3 weeks ago, so last product hour, we covered Workato 101. In 1 week, I learned and demonstrated how to build your first recipe, which is Workato speak for automation. We also covered typical use cases like sales, service, and HR automation. This week, we'll be diving more deeply into advanced topics like how to monitor errors, work with nested data, and handle different data volumes. I'll also be doing a demo of our integration with Snowflake, including how easy it is to replicate data without coding or maintenance. So join us on Thursday, March 5th at 11 a.m. PT. You can register by clicking on the link below.